42. He's a crane carrier, garbage truck, CCC, 2005. Rear loader, GVW, 66,000 pounds, 25 yarder with a Leach. Engine sounds great. AC is cold. Body is straight. Just retired. Fully functional. I will show you. The exhaust is bent out of shape. Running for over half an hour now. I'll show you the interior. The driver's seat looks good. The center bench seat torn, and the passenger side seat looks good. It's got AC. It's cold inside here. The dash looks good. The door looks good. The door panel. I'll show you. It's got an Allison transmission. Got 104,000 miles. Got a rear view camera. 8 out of the 10 tires look good. Look really good. As you can see, the body is in great shape. Here's the rear loading area. I'll show you the cylinders look nice and clean. No visible leaks. In the center, that trim is dented, but nice and straight. I don't see any rust. I'm gonna see if I can make this work. Okay. Oh, it works. It's got water in there. It's filthy. All right. I was told it was working, and you saw it move. The body, as you can see, it's in good shape. That's pretty much it. Good luck.